Hello and welcome. This is unboxing of my new therapy lamp, which is intended to be used near my bed when I read, or maybe when I watch on the phone just before I go to sleep, to expose me to more red light, which is supposed to help me with better sleep. So if you are interested in improving your night sleep, please stay with me. So let's see what's in the box. The box is quite light, and let's open it. Here is the light, the lamp. Mito Red portable desk lamp. And we've got here some information about the product here. Okay, so that's the information on the box, and let's see how it actually looks like. So we've got some cable. This is USB-A to USB-C cable. We've got some leaflet with instruction. And we've got the light wrapped nicely. So on the website it says it's easy to travel with, and yeah, as you see, it is quite easy because you can fold it this way, and of course you can unwind it and have it on a desk like this, point in a different area. Let's see. Oh, yeah, so this is off on 20%, 25%, 50%, 75%, or maybe 100%. Yeah, that's the 100%. All right, you've got here the element which is shining with red light. Then you've got here USB-C cable, and nothing much, some rubber feet to keep it steady and secure on the table, and you basically use it like this. And if you want to travel, you just fold it nicely so it will fit in your small luggage. So here you are. This is red lamp for improving our night sleep, because our body likes to have red light before we go to sleep. If you are exposed to too much blue light, it wakes us up and it doesn't help us have a good quality sleep. So using this kind of light, red light, just before we go to sleep, let's say 1 hour or 2 hours before we go to sleep, it will help us with having better night sleep and reduce the impact of blue light, which can affect us, especially when before we go to bed, we watch something on our mobile phones. So some people may just think, why do we need this kind of lamp when we have light panel like this one, or perhaps even larger panel, and especially this one we can actually adjust the brightness to even 1%. But can you imagine, this one takes a lot of space next to your bed, and still, because it's got a lot of components and fan at the back, I'm pretty sure it takes much more electric power than this one. So if you consider to lower your electric bills, probably just for the night red glow in your bedroom, this device will be much more economical than any panels like this. So to charge it, we of course need to have a mobile charger with a USB-C cable, and then we plug that cable here, and then the other end of the cable to the USB charger, and the battery should be charged. And of course, instruction says when you finish charging, take the cable away. And then of course you can position in any place because you are not restricted by the cable. So this is actually quite a good advantage because you can put the light in different areas in your bed, or maybe on your desk when you work on the laptop, for instance, until the late hours, and you don't want to use a lot of bright light, but you can place this light somewhere next to the computer so you still work and you have good enough light to see what you are doing, but at the same time you're not exposed to that blue light, which will affect your sleep pattern. The lamp is quite light, and it's fully adjustable, so you can position it as you want on your desk next to your bed, for instance, or if you're using it next to your laptop as well, in a way that it's most comfortable for you to use. And of course you can adjust the brightness. You've got 3 levels here, whichever best is most comfortable for you. I will set it up next to my bed tonight and test how it works in bedroom environment. So if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe so you don't miss that new video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing of this small red light therapy lamp, which is intended to help us having better night sleep by using red light instead of too much of bright light, especially blue light at night. So if you are interested in this lamp, you can see the link in the video description below, and if you use my name as a coupon code, you will get it at a discount.